welcome back. Today, in this video, we will be doing this room that is behind us, but you can't see it. And
it's already done.
It's already done. It looks so good.
Yeah, and our client was very happy.
Yes, extremely happy. So, if you want to keep watching and see what happens and how we did Luke's master bedroom. Woohoo! Hello!
Hi!
So we are on our way to Luke's house. Luke's is Michael's friend from school. He's asked us to style his house.
Very exciting. A boy's house.
Yeah, very different. Yeah. And he has one request. What is it, Amelia?
To keep his rap posters up.
Rap posters.
Like music rap?
Yeah. What rooms are you actually wanting us to do? Or every room?
Well, as much as you want to do. That's
oh, really?
Yeah, I don't know.
Wow. So brave, I love it. Trust us so much. This is your main bedroom.
Yeah, make sure you get the mic too.
Can I open the blinds?
Yeah.
Did you, if we did your bedroom, did you want to keep anything in here, or do you want to whole new everything, or like do you want a new bed, or keep the bed, or?
Bed's alright.
You have, is that like a gaming or studying nook sort of thing? So we have got these slats of timber and we're going to create a feature wall in Luke's bedroom right behind us. See, it's pretty plain. We are going to be putting these planks of timber spaced apart a certain distance to create a 3D effect on the wall, and then we're going to be painting it a pretty bold, deep color to make it pop. So yes, now we've got to put these on the wall with some instant nail, and we're going to nail it with some real nails as well. And then
I've already cleaned these as well, and then so we're gonna glue it, stick it on, nail it on, prime it, paint it.
Yeah.
It's gonna be a long process, but it's gonna look cool.
It'll look amazing. It's totally worth it. It'll be great. So let's hope it works.
Yeah.
All right, let's get to it. When you don't have a mask, which is very rare these days, but can't find any right now, use a tea towel, just like this. And you kind of look like a scary person. Look like a ninja. A really bad ninja. There you go. I cannot see. This is for safety with the glue. Smile! Okay, we've had a few difficulties.
Totally.
You look literally hilarious. You kind of look like an elephant.
And you look like you go to the dentist with like a...
Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Looks like I got my wisdom teeth taken out. Basically, Millie and I have been struggling with this wall all day with all these type of difficulties, with the measurements not being right, because the wood wasn't cut, the glue gun wasn't working, we didn't have the glue punchy thing that Amelia is using. There's been quite a number of hours of worrying about this wall.
Electricity.
And then we thought, oh, if we hammer a nail in the wall, it's gonna punch an electricity cord thingy. And I thought that they ran up from here, but apparently nails aren't long enough to get them. Hopefully, that's correct.
Oh my gosh. This thing is this can't be that hard. Why isn't this working?
Oh, we're still learning, guys. We're still learning.
If we can do it, you can definitely do it.
We look ridiculous.
Feels like a bunny rabbit.
I know.
Like an elephant.
Yeah. Okay, anyway, we gotta get to work. So we're gonna put up the rest of these finally. It's like 3:30 now. Been here for a long time. All right, let's do a time lapse. Got a wall behind you.
No way, right?
So down here is Luke's master bedroom. In here, and oh, there's Ange! Ange is helping us today. She helped us yesterday and she's absolutely a darling. She's in our women's group. Amelia and I are part of a women's group. Yes. Yes. And Ange and Amelia did this wall. Well, they painted it. We put on
Bridie and I did
the molding, as you saw before. But this color,
I love it.
it actually looks a bit more blue or navy on camera, but it's like a really deep color. But it's so nice, like so professional.
So professional.
Hey, Grace said it was Pinterest worthy.
Yeah. I agree with her.
Yeah, it's pretty great. I've always wanted to do one. Anyway, that's where his bed will go, and then wall sconces and artwork and all that. And just putting the desks together. She's having some trouble. She had to unscrew some things down there that she screwed yesterday. And then we don't know how his setup's going, but eventually he's having a music studio. So yeah, but he still wanted a desk in his room. So, and then we got to hang curtains here. So there's a lot to do. Yay.
What do you lady? Oh, hang on. Whoa.
So cool, man. So cool. I have to get some. Like, let's be honest. How funky is that?
It will be when we figure out where and how we're gonna put it on.
Yes.
Pretty excited though.
Yes.
It's gonna make the wall look amazing. So guys, I'm in Luke's closet. And he has like a little mini walk-in closet, which is awesome. He has a lot of caps. And we've picked a few colored caps that we like that will go with the room decor that we're gonna display on a shelf, which is, I don't know if you can see it there. They're just gonna go on the wall and make it look extra funky. So with the remaining caps, which he can switch out as he wants and whatever, we've chosen just an IKEA collapsible shelf that you just hang up on a beam of some kind. And yeah, I've just put in about 3 caps so you can kind of see what he's got, and they're easy to put away. Love it. Okay, it is officially crunch time. We have 20 minutes before Michael gets here. He hasn't seen the place. Bridie wants to surprise him for some reason. Second of all, we are also trying to get it all sorted before Luke, the owner, gets here. And he'll be here in T-minus 4:45 now. He'll be here at 5. So that's like 40 minutes or 45 minutes or something crazy. And we have so much to do.
We haven't done any styling.
We haven't like styled, put like props out or like put stuff on shelves yet. We've done all like the placing of things. So we're just cleaning up and trying to get it done as fast as possible. Wish us luck and hopefully we'll get it done.
Michael's here. Luke's here. Maybe Michael and him can go out.
Yeah, go.
We're not ready.
4:42.
4:42, you guys are still on time.
Huh?
Luke's 5 minutes early. We said 4:45, but we're not ready.
3 minutes early. 2 minutes early.
Okay. Well, can you guys go out?
Go what?
Go out somewhere?
How long are you gonna be?
A little bit.
We have volleyball at 6.
Yeah, I don't care.
So what?
Just go out until we tell you to come back.
Go get a burger.
We just need to put things on shelves and stuff. Hi!
Apparently, they are still working. Yeah, that's me.
Yeah. So,
wanna
can
go
you guys go out on a little date or something?
This is intense, guys. So I'm currently trying, I'm so hot, it's so hot, and the air conditioning broke down. Like, what the heck, on the hottest day ever when we need to do things. Anyway, I'm currently trying to like style his desk and make space for like his equipment, because he has a lot of music equipment and all that. So trying to like figure out whether I should put something up there or put them down below, and I'm trying to make it as simple as possible but practical and elegant. And I've got to put a frame up there to even it out, because because this was gonna go in the center, but it didn't work because it has a sliding door and like a pocket door, and we were gonna put it in the center, but it would have screwed right into the door. So my very smart grandfather said, nah, you gotta put it here or nothing because there's studs there. So we're gonna even it out with something here so it doesn't look odd. That's that. And then I'm just trying to figure out the bed. I might iron this a bit, make it a bit more presentable. I didn't have a lot for the side tables, but we want to try and make them simple, so I'm just trying to do that. It's very hot, but it's coming together. Whoa. We're trying to hide this stupid plug that is just impossible to hide.
This room's made for like a double bed or a queen, but his is a king single.
Yeah, so it's very tricky to hide plugs, and there's like 4 plug. Oh, she's getting it.
I need scissors.
So anyway, we're trying to hide these plugs, and there's 4 outlets on this wall. So that's a mission. So we're trying to think, put a basket there. Doesn't do anything.
Right, well, I guess you're just gonna have plugs there unless you put a plant in here, but
Yeah.
no plant.
We don't have any more plant. Okay, well, looks like it is what it is, and you'll have to deal with that.
Done.
What do we think? I like it, but
You like that one better?
I'm not talking about the pillow, I'm talking about side tables.
Oh.
But I like the clock like that. It's all right. Yeah, I like it. Okay, get away for a sec. Put that cushion in the basket. I like that. It bounces off that pillow, that picture over here, and you can switch it out. I like that. What do you think?
This is your bedroom. You like it?
Yeah.
And this is your desk that we put here
Yeah.
because it was too crowded there.
Yeah, you couldn't put a seat or anything.
Yeah. And then this holds like your mic and your headphones.
Oh, I'm gonna
You like the wall?
You like the
wall?
Yay! It was
We put what's it called, like timber things, and nailed that and glued them in.
Yeah.
It actually
Yeah.
looks so cool. That's like one of my favorite parts.
It was
Yeah.
a lot of work.
And it goes really well with the poster.
Yeah, the colours out, which was cool.
And you have a bin here, and you have
Yeah.
storage in your side tables. The clock needs a battery too.
You supply the batteries.
And you've got some of your hats up here. And we didn't put that magnet because we found that magnet that you had.
The one that just came with it.
Oh yeah, well
Yeah.
you're welcome to do that if you would like.
But we
It looks kinda cool.
we liked it, the lean
Yeah,
look.
it's kind of like organic and
Yeah.
funky. So the
And
rest
that's your laundry basket. Yeah. I saw some clothes on the floor. I was like, we need a laundry basket.
But the rest of your hats are stored in here.
Oh.
Yeah.
And if you were getting bored of this pillow, you can always swap it with this one.
And we can hide the plugs with the other pillow.
There we go.
There's so many plugs there. So do you want the real surprise of this room?
Wait, what's that?
I haven't shown yet. The feature wall. Okay.
Yeah.
Turn the light off.
Okay. Oh, turn the light off.
Count of 3.
This one as well?
I guess so.
Okay.
1, 2, 3.
Whoa.
Wait, that one's gonna work?
Yeah.
Yeah, that's the stuff. There you go. Wow.
It's pretty cool, eh?
And you
Yeah.
can change colours and modes.
Yeah, oh,
and
that's why I had a remote in here. I was like, oh, not that cool.
Nah, I'm living the dream.
Yeah, pretty cool, eh?
Yeah,
That's so cool.
It's a true bachelor pad. Love it. So you happy?
Oh,
I'm
you
happy.
room. That's your room.
There you go.
Took us a week and a lot of trials and errors.
And our grandfather and our brother.
And our brother and some friends. Hope you guys enjoyed this video and watching Amelia and I frantically run around and get this room transformation finished. We hope you loved it, and don't forget to like and subscribe so you can support our channel and you can see a lot more things coming your way soon. All right, we'll see you later. Bye. My eyebrow looks so weird. Oh, we're always pretending about our eyebrow now because someone commented. I better check mine too. I might get a comment. I love it. Okay.
It looks so sophisticated. I know. So satisfying.
I know some people do ASMRs with this.
What's that?
You know what that is. Say that again, Amelia. No. What's an ASMR? An asymmetrical pattern. I don't know. Don't make me look like an idiot. ASMR is when people make sounds and it's like
Oh yeah, those crazy sounds like with rubber gloves or something crazy.
Yeah.
Okay.